Hello guys, Softoni here, and today let's make smooth and colorful light leaks transitions in Premiere Pro. No plugins, just awesome results. So smash the like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Alright guys, here we are in Premiere Pro 2025, and as you can see I have already created this final sequence and I have already added these medias, and you can do it just by clicking here on the file menu, just go to new, and here to create new sequence shortcut is Ctrl+N. Okay, now let's head over to effects and we will create transition. Go here inside this video transition folder, and now let's open up this film impact light and blurs. And for the first transition, let's find here glow impacts and drag and drop here on the second media. It doesn't matter if this is in the middle or on the second media. Okay, and now as you can see, we immediately have this cool looking light leaks transition. Now you can zoom it and select this transition. Now let's go here inside the effects control, and literally here you can change everything. What I like to do is to go to colorize 100%. And you will see this orange color, and you can also pick up whatever color you want here, maybe blue for this tutorial purposes. I'm just showing you the way. Hit OK, and now as you can see we will have this cool looking blue transition. Basically you can also change here everything, make it larger or smaller, it's up to you. This is gonna be the length. Okay, you can also play around here with the intensity. Let's go to 100%, also temperature, and every other option here. Let's hit space to see the preview, and this is gonna be this cool looking transition. Alright guys, this was the first way to create this cool looking transition, and now I will be showing you another way. Okay, go here in between clips, you can use arrows on your keyboard, and let's head over to this film impacts lights and blurs folder once again and find here this one, light leak impacts, and just drag and drop onto our third clip. And as you can see, this is gonna be our animation. You can also select this transition, and basically let's also change here everything. You can rotate it and play around with different options, and also here what I like to do is to select this transition, and you can also play around here with the colors. Just crank up or down this hue parameter here and play around with all of those options. You can also play around here with saturation, diffraction, softness, and everything else. You can also play around here with the position, feather, and you can also change your color variation, also dual spectrum or single one. It's up to you to play around with. And this was the easy way to create this cool looking light leaks transition. Now I'll go here at the first frame, hit space, and this is gonna be our first light leak transition, and here is gonna be second way. And this looks good to me. Alright guys, just experiment here with everything until you're satisfied with your own final results, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and picked up something new today. And also if you found this one useful, please give it a like, it really helps me keep making more content like this. And also of course don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more creative tutorials and motion design ideas. And thanks for sticking around. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay creative and bye bye.